Hello and welcome to another video update from Computershare. I'm Joe Williams and I'm joined again by Paul Conn, President of Global Capital Markets. Paul, thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Joe. Great to be here.
There's been a lot of engagement over the last 12 months or so about the maximum limit order that Computershare has in place. Paul, what is a limit order exactly?
Well, in its basic form, a limit order is a specific instruction from an investor to buy or sell shares in the marketplace at a particular price or better than that price. It's really the converse from submitting a market order where an instruction to sell at market has no particular price on it and it trades in the market at whatever the prevailing market price is. So a limit order really empowers the investor to determine the price that they particularly want to buy or sell securities at. It's as simple as that.
So why did we have to lower the limit order in, I think around July last year, 2022?
Yeah, that's a really good question. Prior to that, I think if you remember going back really probably 15 to 18 months ago, we were asked, what is the maximum limit order that you could submit through the system? And we advised that, technically it was possible to put a limit order in at $214,000 and change per security. And we didn't actually think people would do orders at that price because the stocks they were interested in were trading in the tens of dollars or hundreds of dollars. But we were actually getting orders coming in to the system at that absolute maximum systemic cap. So we needed to make some changes as a result of that.
Okay, and how have we responded to calls for a higher limit order since then?
Well, I mean, it's really been a two-step process. So in the middle of the year, we changed the limit order price to $3,500. So the maximum that a limit order could be applied would be at a $3,500 per share cap. And that was applied across the board, regardless of what the underlying security was trading at. Now, that was quite a blunt instrument because we needed to make a change and we needed to make it across our entire book of business. We made that change. We communicated it to the market at that time, to the investors. We got a little bit of feedback as to, well, why did you do that? And is it dynamic pricing? And the answer to that is it was not dynamic pricing. It was a hard cap. So since that time, we've been working to adjust the system to make the pricing work on a dynamic basis. And I'm pleased to say that we now have dynamic pricing for limit orders in the system. And the dynamic pricing works on the basis of 7 times the current price. So the 3,500 cap has gone. And each particular security will have its own limit now by reference to what the security is trading at any particular point during the day. So it's truly dynamic, and the price is being set throughout the day, and you can submit an order really up to 7 times whatever that price is at the time you're submitting the order.
Paul, thanks very much for joining us.
No, you're welcome. Thanks a lot, Joe.
Remember, you can visit Computershare's FAQs site on registered shareholdings and the DRS system. The link should come up on your screens at the end of the video, but do also look out for more videos and content from Computershare via our YouTube channel and our other social media accounts. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks a lot.